Hello, dear friends and valuable viewers. How are you all? I hope all are well. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty. This is Engineer Polash Mojumdar, Instructor, Chatpuri Janata High School and College, Kumila Srodha South, Kumila, Bangladesh in front of you. Now I am sharing some documents and issues with you. Please all are watching and comments us for next time exclusive something to do for our students. I hope all are encourage us. Please come on with us and watching our presentation.
I am very thankful to our group members who have me the opportunity to present me. Namaste,
Namaste, ma'am.
all
Namaste.
my respected brothers and sisters.
नमस्ते मैडम
नमस्ते मैम
Today is
नमस्ते
Today is our fifth session. I hope you are all fine. Today's points are first, free time and your culture. And second is about good health and well-being. I explain my first point. Every work currently, so the best use of your free time really depends on you, your working style. I will share my PPT about the free time and your culture or our culture.
हेलो हाँ
हाँ सर
पलाश सर
Hi, internet is interrupt. So please, ma'am, continue your. Hello. Hello, audio, ma'am. Hello, Jadav sir.
हाँ यस
Ma'am is hear us.
Why? What is the
no the
Hello, Jadhav sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes.
I have sent the PPT on your.
Okay, okay. Yes, 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 yes. I am going to share it on the screen.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, Aira, ma'am. Can you see the people? Hello. Hello.
Jadhav sir.
Ah,
Yes, PPT is in there.
I also audible to you?
Not audible, but
Obvious.
Please start the Palash.
yes, sir.
Aira, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Hello. Aira, ma'am. Aira, ma'am.
নিলেই হবে, অসুবিধা নেই, স্টুডেন্ট নিলেই তো ভালো।
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, sir.
Yes,
Ma'am.
you are
Bhavana.
audible.
Can you hear?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
You are audible.
Sir, when you cannot hear me well.
Madam, can you split the screen?
Yes, sir.
Then start the session.
Okay.
We all are audible.
Session.
बघा आता PPT तर माझ्याकडे घेतो. काढता येईल.
No, sir.
Hello, sir.
Net is interrupt, sir.
Okay, net problem. Okay. Yes, Aira, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Please start the session.
But my voice cannot listen all the participants, sir.
Yes,
What is
yes,
the
yes.
problem?
No. I am listening. Lokhande sir.
Aira madam.
Hello.
Aira madam.
Yes, sir. Yes.
We listen you now.
Okay. Now listen
Please go on.
carefully. We do reading, have hobbies, then take classes, spend time with family. Exercise. Physical exercise is important for both physical and mental health. Exercising regularly helps you remain disciplined. Then reading. Reading is a lifelong skill. Books helps you a greater understanding of the world around you. They introduce you to new characters, new environments, new cultures, new ideas, new skills. Similarly, reading regularly helps to build your vocabulary and giving you greater communication skills. Reading expands our knowledge and keeps you up to date with new developments. Next, spend time with family. If you want to be successful, if you want to be successful in life, you have to bond with family members, and it is very important thing. And then your culture. Cultural identity is an important part of your self-image. Firstly, what defines culture? Means what is the definition of culture? Relating to the habits, benefits, and people. Second, relating to the arts as music, dance, painting. Culture is a word for the way of life, a group of people, in the way they do things. Culture is considered the fourth pillar of sustainable development by UNESCO. Customs, laws, dress, architecture style, social standards, religious beliefs, and traditions are all examples of cultural elements. Culture means a set of patterns of human activity within a community or social group, and the symbolic structures that give significance to such activity. Then our second point. Can you continue, sir?
Yes,
Hello.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Please
Okay.
continue.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Jadhav, sir. On all
Okay, welcome, ma'am.
respected is a health. Health means good health. Health is a state of physical, mental, and social well-being in which disease are absent. Health means the condition of a person's body or mind, the state of being well and free from illness. Well-being word similar to health. Well-being word similar to health. There are 5 main aspects of personal health: physical, emotional, social, spiritual, and intellectual. What is the sign of good health? Normal body temperature, 98 degrees Fahrenheit and 37 degrees Celsius is a sign of being healthy. There are 3 key things that healthy people do every day: exercise, maintaining a nutritious diet, and get proper sleep. Some healthy lifestyle. First, eat a variety of foods. Second, enjoy plenty of fruits and vegetables. Third, reduce salt and sugar intake. Fourth, eat regularly. Fifth, maintain body weight. Tips for staying healthy. First, be physically active for 30 minutes most days of the week. Second, eat a very low fat diet with lots of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Avoid injury by wearing seat belts and bike helmets. Natural ways to help health. Be more active and exercise. Exercise offers so many health benefits. Maintain a healthy weight. Don't smoke. And fourth, find joy from family. Tips to protect enough exercise, vegetables from your life. One has to be free from any illness or under circumstances. Many people don't know taking wrong food like sugar, impure water, heavily spiced food, which harms our system. Remain young in spirit. Isolate yourself. Complete and meditate. Meditation makes you incredibly calm. So eat carefully, take exercise for health, and cultivate mental energy for a better life. Health is wealth is a famous saying. Sound mind can be held only in a sound body. Only a sound health can give a man sound body. There is another principle. There is another principle that we should follow. Early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. A wise person has said, when wealth is lost,
Take care, ma'am. Take care.
thank you, sir.
You drink water, ma'am.
Drink some water.
Uh,
Please drink some water.
Drink means water. A wise person has said, when wealth is lost, nothing is lost. When health is lost, everything. There are some points are cultural elements that I write in my PPT. Cultural elements, customs, laws, dress, architecture, style, social, religious beliefs, and traditional. The aspects of health, physical, intellectual, emotional, social, and spiritual. There are some very important tips for staying healthy. Be physically active for 30 minutes most days of the week. Second, eat a variety of foods. Third, reduce salt and sugar intake. Fourth, eat regularly. Fifth, enjoy plenty of fruits and vegetables. Six, maintain body weight. 7, don't smoke. 8, find joy from family. 9, drink more water. 10, get enough sleep. And 11, push negative people from your life. And in this pandemic situation, how do we keep fit our health? Very important 4 things. First, wash or clean hands. Second, do exercise. Third, use mask. And fourth, keep social distance. Okay, in this way I have completed my explanation. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, ma'am.
Thank you very much,
Very
ma'am.
nice presentation.
Very nice. Yes, sir. Very nice presentation. Excellent.
I am sir.
Don't
Yes,
worry,
ma'am.
ma'am. Don't worry.
I am
Hello.
unable to see. Hello.
Yes,
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 ma'am.
ma'am.
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
I am unable to show my PPT.
No problem, ma'am. No problem. We have seen your PPTs.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Welcome, ma'am. Yes, Mr. Lokhande, sir.
हाँ कल जादव सर.
Will you please continue?
No problem.
Yes, please start the session.
शुभमचा फोन येतोय. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Audible, sir. Audible, sir. You carry on, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Just a minute.
Okay, no problem.
My dear, the host, team Palas sir, friend, and my neighbor, Mr. Jadhav sir, respected Srimati Aira madam, and dear Sri Suryavanshi sir. I heartily welcome all of you in this session.
Lakhande, sir.
Today's topic is free time and your culture. Yes, sir.
Here is Nazman Nahar, ma'am.
Hello. Okay, I welcome Nazmullah madam.
Okay, thank you. Continue, sir.
So, hobbies. First topic is okay. Hobbies. As I told you in the second session, hobbies are our favorite pastime. We do hobbies when we are free, when we don't work. Varieties of persons have variety. My hobbies are listening music. I like to listen Indian classical music songs, filmy songs, bhajans, ghazals. Then I also have hobbies singing songs.
Wow, great. We are listen, sir.
Plus, sir.
Yes, sir. Please sing a song, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Sing a
please
song.
one
They
song.
are asking me to sing song. Sir, I am not a professional singer. I am a bathroom singer. Huh?
Yes, sir. Let it be. Please one song, sir. Lokhande, sir. Lokhande, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Oh, yes.
हेलो. हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना ये हम नहीं जानते, मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना. हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना, तुम्हें कोई और देखे तो जलता है दिल, बड़ी मुश्किलों से फिर संभलता है दिल. क्या क्या जतन करते हैं हमें ना पता, ये दिल बेकरार कितना ये हम नहीं जानते, मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना। हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना। थैंक यू।
Very nice, sir. Super,
हेलो।
super, sir. You,
Nice. Very nice.
Very
sir.
nice, sir. Very nice.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू,
Excellent.
थैंक यू,
Big
थैंk
hand,
you
sir.
for
Big
bearing
hand.
me. Thank you for bearing me. Okay. Then
Sorry for time finished. Please.
No problem. No problem, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I am getting again and again disconnecting today. All are facing same problem.
Sir, you now join, sir.
Sir, sorry, sir. I am not getting audible to you.
Oh, audible, sir. Audible. You are audible, sir.
Audible, audible. You are audible, Mr. Suryanshi, sir. You are audible.
But sir, you means whenever any teacher is speaking at that time, I am not getting his or her voice. Some disturbance are there today.
While sharing the screen.
Yeah. Yes, sir. And
You
again
can
and
sharing,
again
sir.
getting
You can sharing, sir. No problem.
sorry, sir.
You can share the
Hello, sir.
screen. You can share the screen. Then also you can audible, sir.
No, when Ira madam was reading, na.
Yes, but I was sharing the screen.
Yes. Screen I can see, sir. But her voice I can't hear.
Okay. Because of some net problem, it may happen, sir.
Yeah. And again disconnecting, sir, today.
Yes. I also face the same problem, sir, every day.
Some network problem means all are facing
Yes,
same
sir.
problem.
Yes.
Okay. I suppose I am alone.
No. I am also facing the same problem.
Yes. Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, so don't worry. Lokhande,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Lokhande, sir.
He is not there.
He is not there.
Sir.
No, sir.
Hello.
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 Lokhande sir is not here.
Lokhande, sir.
Not
Namaste,
joined,
ma'am.
sir.
Shule ma'am, namaste.
Namaste.
Lokhande sir is joined.
Yes. Nasmura ma'am, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Palash sir, can we give the chance to ma'am? No.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Lokhande sir is
Lokhande sir
continuing.
is
I
coming,
think.
sir.
Yes. Lokhande sir is there.
hello.
Yes, sir. Please continue.
Sir, was not I audible to you?
No, now you are audible. Just now
Audible,
you are
sir.
audible, sir.
When I was showing PPTs, was my
हाँ,
sound coming there?
yes,
Second share.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Present your PPTs.
Uh, uh, Palas sir. Palas sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
On WhatsApp, I have sent you the YouTube link. Will you please share it?
WhatsApp link.
Huh?
WhatsApp. Okay, I see, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Is it not possible for you?
Possible, sir. Just quite.
Okay.
What, sir? What do you want, Lokhande, sir?
I have sent him a YouTube link.
Uh-huh.
Lord Jagannath Puri Temple.
Yes. Can I share it?
You can share it, no doubt. But there is sound problem. No?
I will try. I will try it.
Sir, please wait for some minute. Palas sir is trying.
Okay, okay, okay.
As we Indians know that Lord Jagannath is a very famous god in our Hindu mythology, and his land and the temple Jagannath Puri is also full of mysteries and secrets.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes. We think only seven.
Seven?
The
Seven wonders.
wonders of the world, but the land of Jagannath Puri is itself a land of wonders.
Yes, sir. Yes,
And the
obviously.
temples there are the land of wonders.
And every Hindu has a dream to visit Lord Jagannath temple.
Yes, yes, yes.
May I pray the God, may all our participants come their dream fulfill, and they may get the chance to visit Lord Jagannath temple and take the darshans and his blessings.
Yes, sure, sir, sure.
Hello, Palas sir.
Yes, sir. Trying, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Because our weather condition is very bad.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that is very problem.
Till then, pause the recording.
Yes, sir. Sir, Jadhav sir, you can try, sir.
Okay. Jadhav sir,
Yes,
please.
yes.
Yes, history of
Yes.
Jagannath temple.
Today's audible.
Every
Yes, the
once in
sound
a
is
while,
coming.
Jagannath, the presiding deity of the temple in Puri, dies and then comes back to life. Jagannath and Brother Balabhadra also undergo the same change.
Sorry, sir.
Okay.
Was it audible?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
audible, sir.
Thank you,
Clear
Palas
sound,
sir.
crystal sound.
This tradition, known as the Navakoraba, taking place for at least 400 years. It happens when
Sound
an
is
extra
clear,
month
sir.
gets added to the
Yes. Thank you, Palas sir.
Yes, sir.
Every 14 to 19 is one such year. Here is how Jagannath's rebirth takes place. Special neem trees called These are trees which contain no nests, have an anthill and a snake near them, and contain the symbols of Vishnu. These trees are cut and transported to the pilgrim town of Puri, where they are carved as per specific ritualistic guidelines. Then, on a special night, the government declares a complete blackout in Puri, and special priests wear blindfolds before transferring something mysterious from the old image of Jagannath to the new one. This substance is called the Brahma Padarth. No one really knows what the Brahma Padarth is. Some say it is the relics of Krishna or the Buddha. Others say it is a sacred jewel or a rare fossil. There are even rumors that it is a tantric yantra or some kind of extraterrestrial material. After the ritual, Jagannath's old image is buried in a special burial ground next to the temple. The Jagannath temple has a rich and long history. The Rig Veda is said to contain Jagannath's origin. And there are stories in tribal lore that suggest the temple has Buddhist influences. Currently, between them, the deities worshipped in the Puri Jagannath temple embody the Shakta and the Shaiva traditions of Hinduism. There is much diversity even among the priests who serve Jagannath. The Daityapatis who serve in the temple are not Brahmins. The workmen who build the image of Jagannath are from a community of craftsmen called Maharana. Though the Puri temple does not allow entry to non-Hindus, a story goes that when poet Saint Sarabego, whose father was Muslim, was not allowed into the temple, Jagannath himself came out to meet him. The Puri temple has also faced its fair share of invasions. Sometime between the 5th and the 10th centuries, the Indo-Greek king Raktabahu desecrated the temple. Then, in the 16th century, Muslim convert Kolaparo attacked the temple again. But through all this, the Jagannath temple has continued to thrive. Attacks happen, religion and caste wars come and go, but the divinity that lives in the deformed and smiling deity of Puri will pass from one form to another and survive.
Is it over, sir?
Yeah, sir. Okay. Thank you, Yadav, sir.
Okay, welcome.
Plus, sir,
Yes, sir.
in this video, one or two of the secrets were told there, but some secrets are also remain. Let me tell you,
Okay, sir.
sir, on the top of the temple, there is a wheel.
हर एक भक्त को नील चक्र को प्रार्थना करना चाहिए।
Hello.
Yes.
There is a wheel on the top of the temple, and if you see that wheel at any side from the city, you see that the wheel is facing at you.
कहाँ जाता है इसे?
I'll try, sir.
Sir,
I'm trying, sir.
and then there is a flag on the top of the temple, but it flags just opposite the direction of the air.
Oh, yes, sir.
What, sir? Pardon, sir. What?
Sir, there is a flag on the top of the temple, and it hoists just opposite to the direction of the air, wind.
Oh,
This is a miracle.
it
No one
flies.
can find. Yes, no one can find its answer.
और भाग्य
Wow,
And
wow, wow.
no aeroplane or no bird is found to be flying just right over the temple.
जाते समय
Okay, okay.
जिससे
हाँ,
Yeah.
आप ले लेता है।
Okay.
Such
Thank you. Thank
secrets
you
are
very much,
there.
sir.
तो फिर वह
Thank you, sir.
जगन्नाथ के दर्शन का पुण्य ले।
okay.
Okay.
22 सीरीज
Is
I
it
have
over,
finished.
sir?
आपके
Yes, sir.
बाएं
Yes.
Okay, okay. Plus, sir.
Hello. Yes, sir. I can start, sir.
नारायण मंदिर
Can I start my session or
Okay, sir. You can start, sir.
के आगे आप देखेंगे
My session is start and finish. Nazmnar madam. Okay.
okay, okay,
We
okay.
are jointly our.
Uh,
मंदिर के अंदर नहीं आने।
Okay, okay. And Suranshi sir,
इस पत्थर के एक साइड में
Sorry, I'm facing a lot of problems, sir. Again and again, I'm getting disconnected.
ये रत्न मंडप
And again, look at it. What he speaks, I was unable to understand, sir. Means
मंडप
he is not properly audible.
आदि
okay, okay. Can you share your PPTs or
रोहिणी को
can you share your thoughts
हुआ गिर गया था और
or may I start?
भांति शरीर
Yes, sir, you can start. Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. No problem.
पार्वती देवी को बिमला जगन्नाथ के भोग के बाद
Thank you.
प्रसाद
I am going to share my PPTs.
बहुत ही सुंदर सरस्वती की मूर्ति है माँ महालक्ष्मी मंदिर के पास। माँ महालक्ष्मी को चंदन से श्रृंगार करते हैं, स्वर्ण आभूषण से सजाया जाता है।
Lokanda sir,
Yes, sir.
please,
राजा को
please unmute sir.
हराने के
Okay.
हरा के उनके गन
My dear friends, am I audible to all?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to present myself here. Here we are going to start our fifth session. As usual, we are going to discuss two topics in this session also. The first topic is free time and our culture. And the second one is about good health and well-being. But first, free time and your culture. Here, India is the land of different cultures. India is one of the most religiously and ethnically diverse nations in the world, with some of the most deeply religious societies and cultures. Religion plays a central and definitive role in the life of many of its people. Although India is a secular Hindu majority country, it has a large Muslim population also.
अर्पण होता है और फिर
Here we can see a picture. Here we can see a picture
काम करते हैं।
in which the different dance forms are given.
गंगा यमुना कुएं, इस दोनों कुएं से दिन में 40,000 लीटर
Different
पानी रसोई
dance
के लिए लगता है।
forms, the different temples
Yadav sir.
are shown. Yes, sir.
यमुना जी का कुछ
Yadav sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
I think the YouTube video is on.
कौन कौन घूमता है
Your video.
Hello sir,
Why-
please,
Why,
please stop your
why the sound is coming?
video.
Okay, okay. Just a minute.
Okay sir. Thank you sir. Thank you. Yes.
Pala sir.
Okay, thank you.
Pala sir.
Yes sir.
The sound was coming that video.
Sound.
From where it is now? I come out of the YouTube video link.
No, it is not sound. No.
But I am listening the sound.
Yes. The sound is still there.
Now,
No.
no. What is it
Yes,
about?
sir. The sound is there.
Today
I don't
sound and
know
sound.
where the sound coming from.
Let it go. It is the background music of our.
Okay sir. No problem.
No problem. Here we can see the different pictures of the India's different cultures. This is the picture where the different food in the India, the different temples, the art is shown in this, and the different festivals which are celebrated in India shown in this picture. Here we can see the colorful India, the national festivals which are celebrated in India. It's shown
Nice
in this picture.
choreography.
Yes, yes, yes. Here we can see the different historical places of India. And in this picture, the different musical instruments are given. So we can see the different festivals celebrated in India, dance forms.
Why?
My hobby is to collect occasional greeting cards.
हिंदू मान्यता के अनुसार चार धाम की
I
यात्रा
have
का
so
बहुत
many
महत्व
greeting
है।
cards.
इन्हें तीर्थ भी कहा जाता है। ये चार धाम चार दिशाओं में स्थित है। पूर्व में पुरी,
Please,
दक्षिण में रामेश्वर, पश्चिम में द्वारिका और उत्तर में बद्रीनाथ। अगर चारों
यादव
धामों की
सर।
बात करें तो ये चारों धाम देश की चारों
यादव सर।
दिशाओं में स्थित है। और इस सांस्कृतिक
जगन्नाथ
लक्ष्य
आपल्यावर
यह है
प्रसन्न आहे
कि
डॉक्टर.
इनके दर्शन के बहाने भारत के लोग पूरे भारत का दर्शन कर सके। आज की इस कड़ी में हम आपको बताएं उड़ीसा राज्य की पुरी शहर जहाँ हिंदू मतावलंबियों के आराध्य भगवान श्री जगन्नाथ जी
हाँ
का
ना, पण
विश्व
ते चालू आहे ना.
मंदिर है।
हा ते पुढे चालू आहे, पण मग आता बघा ना तुम्ही. हा. कसं?
हा ना, तेच समजत नाही
उड़ीसा
एकच काय आता
प्रांत के
कुठे
पुरी
चालू
शहर में
आहे.
स्थित श्री जगन्नाथ मंदिर श्री कृष्ण भक्तों
त्या
की
लिंकवर
बाहेर निघून पुन्हा जॉईन करतो मीटिंग.
की वास्तुकला
हाँ?
की
नाही,
बेजोड़
तुम्ही त्या लिंकवर परत जा
इसकी
त्या लिंकवर.
बनावट के कुछ राज तो आज
बरं,
भी
बरं.
राज ही है।
त्या युट्यूब
आइए
लिंकवर
आपको
परत जा.
बताते हैं भगवान जगन्नाथ के इस रहस्यमय मंदिर के बारे में।
हा, आता इथून बंद करा डायरेक्ट. आणि
आता हे बंद केलेलं आहे, बरोबर. येतोय का आता आवाज?
नाही.
नक्की
हा,
बघा बरं.
हा, काही येत नाही ना. No, thankfully it has stopped now.
I have so many greetings, handmade greetings, ready-made greetings, a great or huge collection of greetings I have from my childhood days. There are so many greetings in my greeting collection. I like to read in my free time. I like to read in my free time.
Many books.
I have
Many
also so many books. I have also so many books. Among
Great,
these
sir,
books, Yayati, in my collection there are so many books. Yayati is also there. It is written by V.S. Khandekar.
Hello.
Shivaji, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Am I audible, sir?
Yes.
Hello.
Audible, sir.
Okay. Yati is a very nice book, which is the beginning of the Mahabharata, which is the beginning of Mahabharata. The king Yati is there, who ruled over the country, and his ancestors also there, and so many interesting books I have read. Mrityunjay, which is depend on the life of Karna, as you like it, the Shakespeare's book. So many books I have read. I also like to listen the music. I am very fond of Kishore Kumar. Kishore Kumar is my favorite singer, and I like the silent music. I listen music whenever I got time, and while sleeping, I also like to listen to silent music when I go to sleep. Can I continue part second, sir? Hello. Our part second
Hello.
is good health and well-being. Sir, can I continue, sir? Lokhande, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please go.
तीन
Okay.
शैली से बना
Here we have.
क्षेत्र में फैला
Madam,
Madam,
1 minute, please.
Here we have our third SDG, that is good health and well-being. Third SDG has 13 targets and 28 indicators to measure the progress toward the target. We have so many problems that we are facing nowadays according to or related to our health. We are now facing the worldwide pandemic situation, and this is only because of so many inhuman activities done by the human being. Every human's right is to get pure water, pure environment. But nowadays we are facing so many problems. The garbage problem is one of them. We have to keep our area clean, but so many people are throwing their garbage here and there, and so we are facing the problems. We must collect the garbage in the garbage collect van. 23rd of the deaths caused by the pollution and environmental issues. There are so many problems faced by the human being. 90% of our population breathes unclear air only because of the air pollution. 253 of the million people suffer from asthma. Among them, so many small children are also there who are suffering from the asthma. 39% of the people are suffering from the overweight. We will not cure only by the medicines, but we must get the clear and very what we can say clear pollution-less air. It is the right of every human being. If we keep the air clean, we should avoid our own vehicles. We should avoid the pollution-making vehicles. There are so many points to discuss, but here I want to stop my presentation. Thank you all. Mr. Palash.
Very nice presentation, sir.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, sir. Yes, Mr. Palash, sir.
यहाँ पर मिट्टी
Yes,
के
sir.
बर्तनों में ही प्रसाद पकाया जाता है।
Your
सबसे नीचे
presentation is finished, sir.
आखिर में पकता है।
Yes, yes.
हैरत की बात ये
Okay, thank you, sir.
कभी भी कम नहीं।
Now present Shurayanshi, sir.
भगवान जगन्नाथ और अन्य प्रतिमाएं नीम की लकड़ी से बनाई जाती हैं। जब भी आषाढ़ का अधिक मास आता है, तब
Shurayanshi, sir, is audible?
नई प्रतिमाओं का निर्माण किया जाता है, जिसे प्रभु का नव कलेवर भी कहा जाता है। प्रतिमाओं का निर्माण
sir.
करते समय छोटी छोटी बातों का भी
मी लेफ्ट व्हा आणि जॉईन
भगवान जगन्नाथ
लेफ्ट पुन्हा जॉईन होतो.
इसीलिए नीम के वृक्ष का चुनाव भी उसी रंग का किया जाता है। पेड़ का चुनाव करने के बाद वहां एक छोटा सा हवन कर उस पेड़ को काटा जाता है और फिर बनाई जाती है प्रभु की अलौकिक प्रतिमा। जगन्नाथपुरी में मध्यकाल से ही भगवान जगन्नाथ की हर वर्ष पूरे हर्षोल्लास के साथ रथ यात्रा निकाली जाती है। इसमें मंदिर के तीनों प्रमुख देवता भगवान जगन्नाथ, बलभद्र और बहन सुभद्रा को अलग अलग रथों में विराजमान किया जाता है। पूरी तरह से सुसज्जित इस रथ यात्रा का नजारा भी भव्य दिखाई देता है। इस रथ की रस्सियों को छूने मात्र के लिए पूरी दुनिया से श्रद्धालु यहाँ
आर यू स्टार्टिंग नाउ?
क्योंकि भगवान जगन्नाथ के भक्तों की मान्यता है कि इससे मोक्ष की प्राप्ति होती है।
Sir, I can start my presentation.
Okay. Please go on, sir.
Okay, sir. Where is Jadhav, sir? Suranchi sir is here.
He has just left. Yes, Roshi sir is also there.
Present, sir. Sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello, Suranshi sir.
Yes, sir. I am present, but getting lot of problems, sir. Again and again connecting. I am full.
Okay, sir.
Palas sir.
Yes, sir. I can start.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Suranshi sir, please start your session.
Sir, I am not getting anything today.
Okay, no problem. Yes, sir. Sure.
Yes.
That is very tough. Hello? আচ্ছা শুরু করেন, আপনি শুরু করেন। আমি তো শেয়ার দিয়ে রাখছিলাম।
Good afternoon and Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, madam. Yes,
Net connection is very poor.
No problem. You are audible, ma'am.
I would like to thanks to our honorable sir ma'am for giving me an opportunity to say something. এটা কি আসছে?
আমি আমারটা স্টেপ করে। Okay. Can you share your screen, ma'am?
Session number 5. SDG nong 3, good health and well-being.
স্ক্রিন শেয়ার করতে হবে।
হচ্ছে না, শেয়ার স্ক্রিন হয় নাই। স্ক্রিন শেয়ারই তো খুঁজে পাচ্ছি না। Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Please
Yes,
continue.
yes, ma'am. Yes.
SDG nong 3, good health and well-being.
এটা ইয়েতে স্ক্রল করতে হবে, যেহেতু এটা পিডিএফ।
আচ্ছা। International experience, India, Bangladesh. Now I would like to say about Bangladesh. Bangladesh, to the east of India on the Bay of Bengal, is a South Asian country marked by lush greenery and many waterways. Its Podda, Meghna, and Jamuna rivers create fertile plains, and travel by boat is common. On the southern coast, the Sundarbans and enormous mangrove forest shared with eastern India is home to the Royal Bengal tiger. This is Nazmun Hashuli, assistant teacher, Matlab JB Gov Pilot High School, Matlab South, Chatpur. Good health and well-being. Objectives of good health and well-being. Various diseases exist that causes serious health issues, including tuberculosis, HIV/AIDS, polio, and malaria. Significant progress has been made to reduce these diseases, but more attempts are needed in order to counteract their global occurrence. Targets of good health and well-being. Number 1 হচ্ছে reduce maternal mortality. Number 2 হচ্ছে end all preventable deaths under years of age. Number 3 হচ্ছে 8 communicable diseases. Number 4 হচ্ছে reduce mortality from non-communicable diseases and promote mental health.
আচ্ছা না এই
Number 5 হচ্ছে prevent and treat substance abuse. Number 6 হচ্ছে reduce road injuries and deaths. Number 7, universal access to sexual and protective care, family planning and education. Number 8 হচ্ছে achieve universal health coverage. Number 9 হচ্ছে reduce illnesses and death from hazardous chemicals and pollution. Objectives of good health and well-being. various diseases exist that causes serious health issues, including এটা তো হয়ে গেছে
Visit beautiful Bangladesh. Life happens here.
Dear friends and viewers, thank you all for today, for the time being. Thank you all. Thank you very much.